Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an Apple Watch user, you know how handy these devices can be, especially with the latest features in 2025. Today, we're tackling a super useful trick: how to make your Apple Watch speak the time out loud. Whether you're in a dark room, exercising, or just need a quick hands-free update, this feature is a game changer. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Apple Watch is running the latest watchOS update for 2025. This ensures you have access to all the newest accessibility options. To start, wake up your Apple Watch and swipe up from the bottom to open the control center, or simply press the digital crown to go to the home screen. Next, open the Settings app. It's that gear icon you see. Scroll down and tap on Clock or Accessibility, depending on your watch's interface. In the clock settings, look for the Speak Time option. It's usually under a sub-menu for voice features. Once you find it, toggle it on. You'll see options to customize how it speaks the time, like saying it in digits, such as 12:30, or in words, like 12:30. For 2025 models, there's even a new feature to add your preferred voice style, so pick one that sounds natural to you. After enabling it, you can test it out by double-tapping the screen or using the activation gesture. Hold your wrist up and say, "What time is it?" or simply press and hold the digital crown. Your watch will verbally announce the time. One quick tip: if you're concerned about battery life, this feature is pretty efficient, but remember to adjust it in low power mode if needed. And that's it. You've now got a talking Apple Watch that's ready to help you out anytime. If you run into any issues, double-check your settings or restart your device. Give this a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.